In this video tutorial you will see where the fuse panel is located in diagram on the BMW 3 Series E90, E91, E92, E93, 2005 to 2013. The fuse panel is located in the glove compartment. Open the glove box and turn the two plastic screws in a vertical position to open the fuse panel cover. You can also see the red fuse puller with which you can remove and replace the fuses in the panel. On the fuse box cover you can find the fuse diagram or below in the video description. Be careful to replace the fuses with other fuses of the same amperage as the original ones. A fuse with too high amperage can create excessive heating of the electrical network, risk of fire, in case of abnormal consumption of an equipment. If the fuse you replaced blows after a very short time, then you will have to go to a car shop so that someone specialized can check the electrical installation on the car. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.